Hello, Mr. Tipton here with a very quick introduction into a couple of different types of sequences. Okay, a sequence is a series of numbers that usually follow some kind of pattern. Okay, there's two that we're going to be talking about in this video. There are arithmetic sequences like these two here. Arithmetic sequences have a constant difference between the terms that you get by adding or subtracting the same number, and I guess I should probably maybe add same number each time. You could maybe stick on there. Anyway, if you look at this first one, what do you do to 6 to get 10? Well, you add 4. Okay, what do you do to 10 to get 14? You add 4. 14 and 4 is 18. That's supposed to be a 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. Okay, every time we're adding 4, this is an arithmetic sequence. We could keep going. We could add 4 again and we'd get what? 26. We'd get 30. We'd get 34. Anyway, let's look at the other one. From 4 to 1, we are subtracting 3. From 1 to negative 2, we're subtracting 3. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. Minus 3 is negative 8. We could go negative 11, negative 14. We could keep going. But just understand that an arithmetic sequence is when each term is being added or subtracted by the same number. The other kind of sequence that we're talking about today is a geometric sequence. There's a constant multiplier between the terms that you get by multiplying or dividing the same number. Okay, obviously we've got a plus 3, a plus 6, a plus 12, and you know there is a pattern there, but it's not the same each time. Okay, what we're looking for is what is the same thing that's happening every time we move on to the next number. Multiplying or dividing. What do you multiply or divide 3 by to get 6? Well, it's times 2. 6 times 2 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, times 2 is 48, 96, we keep going. Down below, our second one, what do you do to negative 10 to get positive 30? Multiplying again by negative, I have to put that in parentheses, I don't usually use the x, but negative 3. Negative 10 times negative 3 is positive 30. Positive 30 times, here I'll use a dot this time, times negative 3 would be negative 90. Okay, negative 3. It's always, that's what's making the negative sign change each time, because multiplying by a negative. Alright, this is a geometric sequence. Constant multiplier between terms that you get by multiplying or dividing the same number. Alright, so just be aware of the different kind of sequences. If you have questions, keep track of them. And we'll see you soon.